First, bank management system. Second, calendar project in C. Third, contact management system. Fourth, cricket scorecard management. Fifth, cyber management system. Sixth, departmental store management. Seventh, employee record system. Eighth, hangman game project. Ninth, library management system. 10. Medical store management. 11th, Pac-Man game project. 12th, personal diary management. 13. Phone book management system, display project output. 14. Quiz game project. 15. School billing system. 16. Snake game project. 17. Student record system. 18. Telecom billing system. 19. Tic-tac-toe game project. 20. Simple calculator app. 21. Unit converter project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.